Cabinet Ministers meeting Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta before the House proceedings. Chief Minister Rekha Gupta will have a meeting with MLAs and Cabinet at 10:30, just any time now, about 10 minutes. CAG reports will be presented today. What will be the strategy of the BJP government, Shreya? How are they going to raise this matter? Not one, but several reporters, about 14 of them. And what will be the final decision that's going to be taken as far as action is concerned? How are they going to take this matter up further, given the indicting findings of the CAG report, isn't it?
Well, absolutely. What we are essentially seeing is the meeting that right now is underway with Rekha Gupta. It's about how the MLAs will also be acting as one team and speaking in the same voice inside the assembly. We've seen such meetings and hurdles before, such important things in the assemblies before as well. It's nothing different that is happening right now, because it's going to be one constructive attack that the BJP would also want to make against the Aam Aadmi Party. Since it is the first assembly session, the ball will be set from here on how the BJP will take up the Aam Aadmi Party, because we do understand that from yesterday only how the Aam Aadmi Party will also not be leaving any stone unturned to be a voice of the opposition so far as the national capital is concerned. But the BJP would want to keep them at bay, and that's precisely why we are seeing the strategic meeting that is happening with the Chief Minister ahead of the CAG reports being tabled. It's already 10:22, Sneha. We just have barely some 38 minutes left for the Lieutenant Governor's opening speech before the CAG reports to be tabled. So, crucial day ahead for the Bharatiya Janata Party. All the 48 MLAs will likely be speaking in one tune so far as their attack against the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned.
All right, I'm going to thank you for the moment for getting in those details. Shreya Chatterjee reporting from outside the Delhi Assembly on the politics over the findings of the CAG reports and also on what the BJP government is going to do next. The Aam Aadmi Party has some serious answering to do that